fucking water when you come by with the machine.
Oh, why?
You blocked my fucking
You say no, did it crash?
No, I landed just in time, yeah.
Wow.
Fuck. You gotta do it when there's nobody around. That's the best thing, you know?
Yeah. Did you see me waving at you?
Down here?
Yeah.
I probably will be on there, I don't know. Hey, you go on the computer at all?
Do I? Yeah.
Go on YouTube
Yeah.
and punch in my name, Freddie Dan.
Freddie D-A-N?
Freddie Dan, all one word.
Yep.
And look at my videos and you'll see yourself probably in the video.
All right, cool.
Won't be on till later on tonight.
All right, bud. Thank
I'll
you.
do it again right now and you know you can shake, you can wave at it.
All right.
Okay, that's some pictures of the crane, and that's another 5-minute video. Shutting it off now. Fucking cold out here.